Hello everyone, my name is Mars. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Listeners, today I'm gonna discussing about the GSuite Google Workspace. GSuite means Google Workspace and how to create your account using GSuite plus your domain, and when you create your account and how to connect your business mail to your website. And I'm gonna telling you in just few maximum 4 minutes. So without wasting the time, let's go on the Google Workspace dashboard. Google Workspace, I have tell you, Google Workspace also means G Suite. It is also called G Suite. Simply I can say this. So so many people will be confused. Okay, how to make a domain and how to make a G Suite account, because in some years back G Suite is free. Google provides G Suite free, but now in these days G Suite is not free. It will be paid by the Google. So this is a bad news for viewers. But they gives us cheap rate. So here's the pricing. I'm gonna showing you that they were giving $6 USDT per month, and they were giving 100 participant video meetings, 30 GB cloud storage in $12, 2 terabyte cloud storage in $10, 5 terabyte, and 500 participant video meetings. So this is not so heavy. So in their products they were giving Gmails, calendar, drive, meet, docs, sheets, slides, chats, etc. Everything. So this is the Google Workspace, and it is also called GSuite. So go to the admin console. So my domain has been expired. So this is my domain, but now it has been expired because last month I was not paid with some reason. So first of all, you need your domain. If you don't know how to make domain, so go to my channel. I have also make a video on how to create a domain. So viewers, this is a short video, and I'm just tell you that the press on get started, and then you put your business name and your employers and everything. Then just next, and put your first name, last name, current email, business phone number, and then go to the next, and they will asking you for street address, your SSN means social security number, and then you will easily make your business mail. And if you want to connect your business mail to your email, because sorry, to your website, because when people reach your website, they see everything. If you connect your if you connect simple, for example, at the rate gmail.com, so this is not professional. So people, be professional and use your business mail in your daily routine basis on your website, and for your purchasing, selling, etc. Be like professional. So hope so you like this video. If you're new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too. We will meet on the next video. Hope till then, take care. Goodbye.